Hi everyone, happy 2025. I have an announcement about the Water Element ebook, which is now ready and I'm excited to share it with you. I first wasn't going to promote it. I create these ebooks for my Fascia Flow membership primarily, but then I see there's value in sharing it with all of you. But when I promoted some of the previous ebooks, the metal element, the earth element, etc., I had some feedback from people saying they were disappointed. It wasn't all new recipes. I had someone file a complaint on Stripe, and that's kind of like a bit of a knockback. And I see these ebooks as far more than recipes. But that being said, I will always, if you aren't happy with an ebook, just reach out to me. I will refund you. I don't care. It's like $9, $10, right? I'd rather have the good community energy and have that connection with you all. So always reach out to me. But I had someone actually message me on Instagram and asked me specifically for the Water Element ebook. And I said, I wasn't going to promote it. And I said, I have the link if you're interested. And she said, it's 100% worth it to me. It's not even about the recipes. It's about all the information you've put together about Chinese medicine and how we can eat and be more in alignment with the energetics of the season. And that's really why I created the ebook. So that being said, we are in the water element. It is the most yin season, and there are things we can do, lifestyle habits, also cooking methods and foods that we can focus on to really help us feel more balanced in this season. So that's what I'm offering in this water element ebook. It's now available. The link will be in the description. If you're watching on social, just comment water and we'll send you the link. Also, I'm offering you a 20% discount until January 15th. Use code WATER and get that discount, okay? So if you have any questions, of course, reach out and I'm happy to answer. It's a beautiful little ebook, lots of comforting recipes to get you through winter.